Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadhani Putri Swanika. I was born in Pontianak on October 11, 2007. My hobby is dancing. I start pursuing my hobby since third grade of elementary school. I usually dance with my friends at the Bougainville Art Studio. I like this hobby because I have liked dancing since I was a little, and it is one of my abilities and in art. I start dancing because I went to a festival and there was a stand content a studio, and I also started dancing because I like traditional dance. Before I enter my current studio, namely the Bougainville Art Studio, I had entered the Kijang Berantai Art Studio for 1 year. But after my performance at the studio, the registration was closed, so I was forced to leave the studio and I continued to my current studio, namely the Bougainville Art Studio, for almost 10 years. I usually do dance practice twice a week on Saturday morning and Wednesday night. Apart from that day, I also usually practice for performance. For example, I will perform Tembung Dance on February 8, 2024, Saturday night. Well, I practice 3 times the night before the performance. I usually do dance practice at Bougainville Art Studio, and we can also outside the art studio, namely at the sub-district office, Taman Budaya, and museum. And during art performance, we often practice at the sub-district office in the evening from dari jam setengah 7 malam sampai jam setengah 10 malam. During the dance movement exam, it is usually held in cultural parks and also in museum. The hobby that I pursue is very fun and challenging because the fun part of learning dance movement that we have never tried before and learning with friends is so much fun. And the part that makes it challenging is when correcting the movements that have been taught by the trainer. The best memory of my hobby is when I was performance where I practice with my friends. It's very fun because I met my friends and joke around together. This hobby helps me to reduce stress after studying accounting. Here is the documentation of my hobby.